Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Wallet and Me, where financial wisdom matters. In today's video, I'm going to do a stock analysis on Black Diamond Therapeutics, and they deal with cancer because cancer is a very big deadly disease in the United States and even throughout the entire world. And this company is fighting this battle and they're trying to win big. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, the company's pipeline features 2 drug candidates at present, with the lead candidate BDTX 189 in a phase 1 study that is scheduled for completion in the first half of this year. BDTX 189 is showing promise in combating allosteric EGFR and HER2 tumors, while minimizing potential toxic effects, which is very crucial because a lot of these drugs have a lot of side effects, but this one looks like it's minimizing that, and it's very good for those patients who are struggling with this disease. That point could turn out to be key, as most current cancer treatments come with severe side effects. Black Diamond is continuing to enroll patients in the BDTX 189 study in preparation for moving to phase 2 later this year. The Master Key 01 dose escalation study has progressed well and defined a maximum tolerated dose within the company's predictions. Their vision is precision cancer medicines for every genetically defined patient. Black Diamond Therapeutics, a precision oncology medicine company pioneering the discovery of small molecule tumor-agnostic therapies. Black Diamond targets undrugged mutations in patients with genetically defined cancers for whom limited treatment options currently exist. Black Diamond is built upon a deep understanding of cancer genetics, protein structure and function, and medicinal chemistry. That main drug that they're talking about, BDTX 189, is designed to be an orally available, irreversible small molecule inhibitor that targets undrugged oncogenic driver mutations of the ERBB kinases, EGFR, and HER2. These include extracellular domain allosteric mutations of HER2, as well as EGFR and HER2 kinase domain exon 20 insertions. Guys, that to me is all Greek. I have to be honest with you, I don't know exactly what that means, but it does sound like they're doing their job and trying to attack these cancer cells. The ERBB receptors are a group of receptor tyrosine kinases involved in key cellular functions, including cell growth and survival. What's key to know is that currently there are no medicines approved by the US Food and Drug Administration to target all of these oncogenic mutations with a single therapy. In preclinical models, BDTX 189 exhibited anti-tumor activity evidenced by potent tumor growth inhibition and tumor regression, which is very good news because this is showing some signs that it is being effective, even though the Food and Drug Administration has not approved any drug to be taken orally to target these cells for cancer mutations. But yet this drug is showing some very good signs in the very phase 1 stages. Black Diamond's IND for BDTX 189 was cleared by the FDA in December 2019, and the company has initiated a phase 1 out of 2 clinical trial and is enrolling and dosing patients. The phase 1 portion of the trial is evaluating escalating doses of the BDTX 189 and is designed to determine the recommended phase 2 dose and assess preliminary indications of anti-tumor activity. The phase 2 portion will determine the objective response rate and duration of response in patients with solid tumors that have an allosteric HER2 mutation or EGFR or HER2 exon 20 insertion mutation using next generation sequencing. And guys, the burden of cancer in the United States in 2020 was estimated 1.8 million new cases of cancer will be diagnosed in the United States, and 606,520 people will die from the disease. The most common cancers listed in descending order according to estimated new cases in 2020 are breast cancer, lung and bronchus cancer, prostate cancer, colon and rectum cancer, melanoma of the skin, bladder cancer, non-Hodgkin lymphoma, kidney and renal pelvis cancer, and endometrial cancer, leukemia, pancreatic cancer, thyroid cancer, and liver cancer. Guys, it is very sad because there's millions of people who are being diagnosed every year, and there's many thousands and hundreds of thousands who are dying every year. So any company who's battling this and trying to fight this, I'm all for that, and they're doing the best that they can to get some treatments, and they're doing these clinical studies where they are in phase 1 right now, and it's showing some very positive signs. So I would be very, very keen to look further into this company. Again, everything that I'm trying to say here is only for entertainment purposes. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence and make sure you investigate and research these companies on your own before you invest any money into them. But I'm just sharing what I know and what I have right here in this video so that you guys can make the best decision possible. And guys, according to Tip Ranks, based on 4 analysts offering 12-month price targets for Black Diamond Therapeutics in the last 3 months, the average price target is $51.50 with a high forecast of $58 and a low forecast of $45. And the average price target represents a 89.9% increase from the last price of $27.12. So even a low price of $45 is a very good indication that this is a strong buy based on these 4 analysts, because you're going to be making at least 40-50% on the low side, and about even 100% if it goes to the high side at around $58, and the average you'll make about 90% if these analysts are correct and true. Now let's take a look at these analysts here. It looks like around 5 analysts just opened up new positions within the last couple of weeks or days even, and one of them closed 13 days ago at $26.95, and these people actually executed their trade at around $26, $24, and $23.96. So there's a lot of movement on this stock based on these analysts. And guys, let's take a look at the chart right now. The chart was trading at around $39.30 back in February 2020, and then it went down to $18.18 whenever the pandemic hit, and then it tried to get back up around April to $41, and it was trading at around $41 until June, and the price went down to around $26 in July 23, and it's been trading around $24, $25 for this longest time. And then in January 12th, it plunged again from $29.61 to around $23.71, and just today it went up about 11.56% to $27.12. And the RSI strength right now is at around 46. It was roughly around oversold territory at around 25 to 32. And the stochastics is also showing that this is oversold, and it's turning back around, and it should go back higher again. So currently the stock is trading at $27.12, and the next resistance that we need to pass is roughly about $29 to $30. And if it does pass that, and if it holds, then the next resistance that we need to pass would be around the $41 mark. And if that holds and passes, then we should be seeing this going to about $45 to the $58 mark that the analysts were recommending. So guys, let me know what your thoughts are on this stock. Let me know if you found this helpful, and if it is something that you will be getting into shortly or not. I would love to hear your comments on this. I currently don't hold any short shares in this company, but it looks like a very solid company, and it looks like they're going to be making some very big introductions and FDA approvals once it passes the phase 1 into phase 2 later on this year. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.